everyone, my name is Clarissa Esmirasan, and my topic is all about Francisco Jose de Goya by Rosentes. So, sino nga ba si Francisco Jose de Goya? Si Francisco Jose de Goya by Rosentes ay isang Espanyol na pintor at grabidadista, itinuturing na isa sa mga pinakadakilang artista ng klasismo, romantisismo at makabagong sining. Historical context. Si Francisco Goya ay isang kilalang pintor at printmaker na Espanyol na buhay sa isang panahon ng mga malaking pagbabago sa kasaysayan ng Europa at Espanya. Ang kanyang sining ay lubos na na-influensyahan ng mga kaganapan at klima sa politikal ng kanyang panahon na nagpapakita ng paglipat mula sa mga tradisyonal na tema patungo sa mas madilim at kritikal na pagmamasid sa lipunan. Example of Goya's life and work. Si Francisco Goya ay kilala sa kanyang makulay na likha at madilim psikolohikal na tema. Ang kanyang mga gawa ay nagpapakita ng mga pagbabagong mula sa lipunan at politika noong huling bahagi ng ika-18 at unang bahagi ng ika-19 siglo sa Europa. Goya began his artistic journey as an apprentice and later worked for the Royal Tapestry Factory designing cartoons that depicted Spanish life and culture. He ascended to the position of painter to the King Charles III in 1786 and later became a court painter. A severe illness in the 1790s left Goya deaf and led to a darker, more satirical style exemplified by the black painting which he painted directly on the wall of his house, Quinta del Sordo. In his later years, Goya continued to produce poignant portraits and engage with challenging subjects like war and religious appreciation. He eventually moved to Bordeaux, France, where he died in 1828. Rotatable painting. Example of Goya's work or painting. The Nude Maha and the Clothed Maha. This painting depicts the same woman in the same pose, one nude and one clothed, and are among Goya's famous works. Ang Naked Maha ay tinuring na pornografiko noong panahon iyon dahil sa pagpapakita ng buhok sa pubic area ng modelo noong 1815. Inutusan ng tribunal ng Inquisition si Goya na humarap upang magpaliwanag tungkol sa mga pinta. Sa kasalukuyan, ang parehong mga pinta ay matatagpuan sa Museo del Prado sa Madrid. Saturn devouring his son, part of the black painting. This horrifying image reflects Goya's dark period in his preoccupation with themes of mortality and madness. The 3rd of May 1808. This painting commemorates the Spanish resistance to Napoleon's forces and is a powerful statement against the patriarchy of war. Yard with Lunatics. This work reflects Goya's increasing concern about his health and fear of mental illness, depicting a scene from an asylum. Conclusion. Goya's innovation techniques, political commentary, and focus on subjectively and emotion make him a pivotal figure in art history. That's all. Thank you.